Hi precious people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make unripe plantain porridge. But first, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button because your subscription is precious to me. We are going to start by boiling our plantains for 10 minutes or until it turns brown. Then we heat up our palm oil and add our chopped onions and allow it to fry for some minutes. After then, we are going to go in with our pepper mix. This is the combination of tatashe, shombo and a little bit of rodo. Then we go in with our salt and seasoning powder. Next is to add your protein. You can make use of any protein of your choice, but I am making use of goat meat. Peel off the skin of your boiled plantain and cut it into tiny bites. Then add it to your pepper mix. Add some crayfish and a little bit of water. You can add meat stock if you have. Cover and allow to cook for some minutes. After a few minutes, stir it to combine. Then you go in with your favorite vegetables. I'm making use of ugu leaves. You can also make use of scent leaves or any vegetable of your choice. Please give this video a like and a comment below. You can also visit my Instagram page to watch how unripe plantains can be of great benefit to your health. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to get notified each time I post a video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.